Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Open Secret Diary, and today's video is going to be a cooking vlog. So today I'll be cooking the chili chicken, and it is one of my husband's favorite dishes. So for that I have taken this kind of boneless chicken piece, and I'll just cut it in this form of this small chunks, as you can see. So I've already cut this chicken into smaller pieces or chunks of this size, and now it's time for the marination. So to make the marinade we will need 1 egg. To it I will add the sauces like soy sauce. So I'm here using the light soy sauce, white vinegar, red chili sauce. You can use the green one as well. Yep. Tomato sauce. Give it a good mix. It's time for the spices. So yes, I'm gonna add in my favorite black pepper powder in a generous, chili flakes again in a generous amount. Ginger powder. You cannot see the ginger completely, but yes, it's a ginger powder. So yep, not a lot, but neither too less. And the garlic. Using here 1 clove of garlic, freshly chopped garlic. Yes. Now we will give it a good mix. Now I'm adding in some salt, like this much, or a bit less, this much. Now I'm going to add in some refined flour, just a bit, so that it can form coating for the chicken. And remember, we have to use corn flour. Yeah, you can add some water. Finally, the cornstarch. So yes, neither too much nor too less. So we see this is the kind of batter we have got. Now we will be adding in the pieces of chicken into it. So yes, I'm going to take all chicken, and yeah, I will mix it with my hands. So now we are done with the marination, and now I'm going to chop off the vegetables. I'm using this half onion and 1 clove of garlic, big clove, okay, this much ginger, and half of the capsicum, and some chilies, like nearly around 6 or 7. Obviously it's a chili chicken, so yeah. And this much spring onion. So these are the vegetables I'm going to use. So I'm just going to chop it off and get back to you very soon. Now we will be frying the chicken here. So yes. Now the chicken fritters are ready, or the fried chicken is ready, and now we will make the sauce. Now I'm going to use the same utensil for the sauce. So I'm just going to take this much oil. See, you don't need a lot of oil while making this sauce, so a bit is enough. Now we are going to add the chopped ginger and garlic. And we'll cook it on the high flame. So, and entire cooking is going to be on the high flame only. So yes. Now the raw smell of garlic and ginger has already gone, so we will be adding the onions here. I'm going to use the white of the spring onion here. Now I'm going to add all the chilies we have. I have used some slit and some finely chopped chilies here. Now add in the capsicum or bell peppers. Now I'll add some salt to it. Black pepper. And oregano. Time to add the sauces, so begin with the soy sauce. Red chili sauce. Tomato ketchup. Add in a bit of water, this much. Now I love to add some sugar to it, so this much. So now as you can see, it has been bubbling, so I will be adding this chicken or fried chicken into it. Now I'll completely dry it because we are going to have it as starter or something like that, so we don't need a lot of liquid part. So yes, we are going to dry it. The spring onion greens. So finally we will increase the flame and add the vinegar to it. Our chili chicken is mostly ready, and now we will do the plating. So this is how it finally looks, and if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with all your family members and friends. So bye bye, I'll see you again in the next video.